Hi guys, so how will you approach any MCQ? So see, like in this question, if the question, any question is more than 2 lines, directly jump onto the last statement. Like for example, in this question, read the question. What is the final diagnosis, right? Now read the first second line and try to cancel out 2 options or more. If you can cancel out more than 2 options or 2 options, then attempt it. If you can't cancel out even one option, then do not attempt it, do not attempt it. But still, in any case, attempt more than 180 to 185 questions for sure. If you want to land up into top 10,000, if you want to land up between 15,000 ranks, then please attempt more than 180 questions. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. If your preparation is mediocre, it will be very difficult for you if you are attempting anything less than 180. So make sure you are able to cancel out 2 options and make sure you are attempting more than 180 questions. All the very best, guys. I hope we talk after the exam and we bring back smiles to our houses and to each other and perform really well. All the very best, guys. So after answering so many DMs, after answering so many doubts and talking to so many aspirants, I could figure out 3 major problems that everybody is facing. So I could divide them into 3 basic C's that I could identify. One is content. So what is happening is a lot of people are changing their content time and time again. They are not feeling confident with their content and they are changing their sources repeatedly. Some people are not consistent with their preparation, okay? And some people lack confidence. So these are the 3 basic problems that most of the students are facing, and we would like to solve them so that their scores are boosted as much as possible. They can reach their potential, they can get into those coveted government college seats. Fill out the Google form that's given in the link below and I will contact you personally.